I do is hustle.
What is up, Pyros, Pyro Nation? We're coming back at you again, once again, with the Fisherman brand fireworks. We have the Sea Killer. You see right there, it is a lucky number 13 for the shots. That looks very scary, like a megalodon. There is what it looks like. I like this little picture they have of the cake itself. Here is your performance. This is an amazing 13-shot aerial. Can't read today. Aerial device that shoots a dazzling show high into the sky. It's going to be a show in itself. It begins with flower, then to red to blue. It begins with flower, then to red to blue. Next effects are white glittered red magic balls, magic show, night use. That is an interesting description / performance. So what do you guys are thinking of this? It begins with flower. Flower pot? I hope not. Then to red and blue. Next effects are white glitter red magic balls. This is a weird description. I'm not really sure. Like, they should have called this like Houdini cake, because Sea Killer is, I mean, it's kind of all like, you know, mysterious here with their description. But alright, Sea Killer from Fisherman Fireworks. Let's go check it out.
Sea Killer.